Welcome to the world of ethical hacking, a fascinating and ever-evolving field where you use hacking skills for good, with full permission and a clear purpose. Here, your mission is to protect, not to exploit. Think of yourself as a digital security guard, hired to find weak spots in computer systems before real criminals do. Your job is to outsmart cyber attackers by thinking like them, but always acting ethically. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in helping organizations protect valuable data and sensitive information from a wide range of cyber threats, from malware to phishing attacks. In our hyper-connected world, a single security breach can cause massive financial loss, disrupt business operations, and seriously damage reputations, sometimes overnight. Ethical hackers are the frontline defenders, proactively identifying and fixing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. They help keep systems safe and resilient. This guide is designed for complete beginners. No prior experience or technical background is needed. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. We'll walk you through the basics, introduce safe practice resources, and show you how to build a strong, consistent study habit that will set you up for success. Real ethical hacking is about patience, curiosity, and a strong ethical compass, not secret codes or shortcuts. It's about learning, experimenting, and always respecting the rules. By following these steps, you'll build a solid foundation and start seeing technology through the eyes of a security professional, understanding both its strengths and its weaknesses. Ready to protect the digital world and make a real difference? Let's get started on your journey into ethical hacking. You're about to learn how to spot weaknesses, strengthen defenses, and make technology safer for everyone, one step at a time. In cybersecurity, hackers are often described by color: white hat, black hat, and gray hat. These terms help us quickly understand a hacker's intentions and methods, and they're essential for anyone entering the field to know. White hats are ethical hackers. They have permission to test systems and help fix vulnerabilities. They're hired by organizations to find weaknesses before criminals do, and their work is both legal and highly valued. These professionals work within the law, aiming to improve security for everyone. Their goal is to protect data, prevent breaches, and make the digital world safer for all users. Black hats, on the other hand, are cyber criminals who break into systems without permission, often causing harm or stealing sensitive data for personal gain or profit. Their actions are illegal and drive the urgent need for ethical hackers to defend against their attacks. Law enforcement and security teams work tirelessly to stop them. Gray hats operate somewhere in the middle. They might find vulnerabilities without permission and report them, sometimes even asking for a reward. While their intentions can be good, their actions are still legally questionable and can lead to trouble. As a beginner, always stay on the white hat side. Following the rules and getting proper authorization is the only way to build a trustworthy reputation in cybersecurity. Two key terms to remember: a vulnerability is a weakness in a system, and penetration testing is the process of legally trying to exploit those weaknesses to improve security. Both are central to ethical hacking. Penetration tests simulate real attacks, but always with permission and a clear goal to help organizations strengthen their defenses. Understanding these roles and terms is crucial as you start your ethical hacking journey. Remember, permission is everything. Stay ethical, stay legal, and always respect boundaries. The line between good and bad hacking is clear. Never cross it. Your actions define your future in this field. Your reputation depends on it. Trust is everything in cybersecurity, and it's built by always doing the right thing. Let's move on to building your skills the right way, so you can make a positive impact in the world of cybersecurity. Start with the basics. Learn computer hardware, operating systems, especially Linux, and networking. Understanding how computers and networks function at a fundamental level is essential for anyone interested in cybersecurity. Take time to explore how different components interact and get comfortable with command line tools, as these are used extensively in the field. Understand IP addresses, protocols like TCP, IP, and the difference between routers and switches. Learn how data moves across networks, and why network segmentation and security are so important. This knowledge forms the backbone of all cybersecurity work. Free resources like CompTIA's A+ and Network Plus guides are great starting points. There are also countless online tutorials, forums, and video courses that can help you build a strong foundation without spending a lot of money. Next, pick up a programming language. Python is beginner-friendly and powerful for automating tasks. Learning to code helps you understand how software works and how vulnerabilities can be exploited or fixed. Knowing how to read and write scripts gives you a huge advantage. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and even create your own security tools. Then, dive into cybersecurity concepts. Study common attacks, vulnerabilities, and tools. Learn about malware, phishing, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems to understand how threats are detected and prevented. Consider certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, to structure your learning. These certifications provide a clear path and are recognized by employers worldwide. Most importantly, practice in safe, legal environments. Setting up your own virtual lab or using online platforms lets you experiment without any risk. Virtual labs and online platforms let you apply what you learn without risk. They offer realistic scenarios and challenges to test your skills and build confidence. The cycle of learning theory and practicing is the key to becoming a skilled ethical hacker. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. This is how you'll truly master the craft. To practice hacking legally, use dedicated online platforms and virtual labs. Hack the Box offers virtual machines with intentional vulnerabilities, perfect for hands-on learning. Try HackMe is beginner-friendly, with guided paths and hands-on exercises. Both platforms have free options and active communities. You can also build your own lab using VirtualBox or VMware and install vulnerable systems like Metasploitable or DVWA. Setting up your own lab teaches networking and system administration skills. Capture the Flag, CTF. Competitions are another great way to test your skills. Many are free and online. CTFs challenge you with real-world problems and connect you with the cybersecurity community. Practicing in these environments is safe, legal, and essential for growth. Use these resources to build confidence and experience. Focus on foundational, safe-to-practice skills. Start with password security. Learn about brute force and dictionary attacks using tools like John the Ripper or Hashcat in your lab. Understand why strong passwords matter. Practice network scanning and reconnaissance with tools like Nmap to discover open ports and services. Move on to vulnerability analysis using scanners like OpenVAS. Learn to interpret scan results and identify weaknesses. Explore web application security by practicing on DVWA or OWASP Juice Shop. Hands-on experience with common attacks like SQL injection and XSS is invaluable. Mastering these basics prepares you for real-world ethical hacking. The law is clear. Ethical hacking always requires explicit permission. Testing or scanning systems without consent is illegal, no matter your intentions. Penalties for unauthorized access can include heavy fines and prison time. A criminal record will end your cybersecurity career before it starts. Always use legal practice labs and platforms like Hack the Box or Try HackMe. These environments are designed for safe, authorized hacking. Never point your tools at systems you don't own or have permission to test. Ethical hackers build trust by respecting the law and others' privacy. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. Protect it by staying on the right side of the law. The ethical in ethical hacker is non-negotiable. Make professionalism and legality your top priorities. Success in ethical hacking comes from consistent, daily practice, not cramming. Set aside a specific time each day for study and treat it as a non-negotiable appointment. Mix up your activities, read, code, watch tutorials, and practice in labs. For example, alternate between networking, scripting, and hands-on hacking challenges. Set clear, achievable goals, like mastering a tool or completing a specific lab. Track your progress in a journal to stay motivated. Celebrate small wins to reinforce your learning. Take breaks when needed. Rest is part of effective learning. Avoid burnout by pacing yourself. Consistency and patience are your greatest allies. Build a routine that keeps you engaged and growing. The path to becoming an ethical hacker is challenging. Expect frustration and setbacks. Stay motivated by remembering your core reasons for starting: passion for technology, protecting others, or solving puzzles. Celebrate small victories, like mastering a tool or solving a tough problem. Share your progress on social media to stay engaged with the community. Immerse yourself in cybersecurity culture. Follow experts, listen to podcasts, and read news. Seeing real-world impact and community passion can inspire you. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who struggled. Embrace challenges. They're opportunities to learn deeply. Resilience and persistence are key traits of successful, ethical hackers. A mentor can accelerate your growth by offering guidance and support. Find mentors by joining cybersecurity communities, attending meetups, and participating in online forums. Be active, ask thoughtful questions, and help others as you learn. Build relationships before asking for mentorship. Show genuine interest and respect for their time. When reaching out, be specific with your questions. Mentorship is a two-way street. Show appreciation and act on advice. Let mentors know how their guidance has helped you. Being a proactive, respectful mentee attracts generous mentors. The relationships you build will be invaluable throughout your career. Community connections are one of your greatest assets in cybersecurity.